Hello and welcome back. My name is Umesh Palai. I am a quant data scientist and a machine learning expert. Over the years, I had the privilege of working with some of the big companies like World Quant, Barclays, Credit Suisse, and many more. In today's video, I am going to take you through my 6-month challenge to become a quant. A step-by-step roadmap that can help you land a job in top-tier quant firms and potentially bag a 7-digit salary package. So if you are ready to fast-track your career in the world of quantitative finance, stay tuned. This is going to be packed with actionable insights. Month 1. Start with your basic understanding of linear algebra and calculus, probability theory, stochastic process, time series analysis, statistical inference. Then understand the basic of finance and market knowledge, different type of asset classes like equities, future, option, FX, crypto, then market microstructure and order book, bid ask spread, then different type of order like market order, limit order, and so on. Then try to understand the basics of how derivatives pricing happens through Black-Scholes models, Greeks, volatility modeling and all. Then try to understand the strategy performance metrics like return, CAGR, drawdown, value at risk, different type of ratio like Sharpe, Shortino, Calmer, Omega, and etc. So this month 1 is all about the basics understanding of algebra, mathematics, statistics, and finance and market knowledge. Month 2. Start learning programming language. You can learn any programming language, Python or C++, but I would recommend to go for Python first because Python is easy to learn. So you can start with Python fundamentals, data types, functions, and other Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas. For data visualization, you can focus on Matplotlib and Shibon libraries. So this month is all about learning the programming language. Month 3. Learn to understand data by using Python libraries. First, learn what are different type of data are available like open, high, low, close volume data, tick by tick data, alternative data, fundamental data, market data, sentiment analysis data. Then try to understand where you will get all this data like different type of data sources like Yahoo Finance, QuantDL, exchange website like NSE, different type of data vendors. Next is data cleaning and data pre-processing. You will do all this by using Pandas and NumPy Python libraries. Next is your data visualization. For data visualization, you will use Matplotlib and Shibon. Next is your learn to do statistics in Python, which is probability distribution, hypothesis testing, linear regression, and their assumption. Use stars model and SciPy Python libraries for all these. Next, get familiar with using Gen AI tools, which is ChatGPT and Cloud. So this month is understanding data and using statistics by Python libraries and get familiar with Gen AI tools. Month 4. Learn machine learning algorithms. Master scikit-learn Python libraries for building ML models. Start with supervised ML first like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost. Then start learning unsupervised ML algorithms like k-means, clustering, DBSCAN. Learn dimensionality reduction, principal component analysis. Create projects and participate in Kaggle challenge and then gain practical exposure from Kaggle. So this month is all about learning machine learning algorithms and gain practical exposure. Month 5. Now it's time to backtesting and strategy development. Start with backtesting first. You can use your own data and own infrastructure to backtest a strategy, or you can use a third-party backtesting platform like Zipline, Backtrader, Quantlib. Most of the quant firms, they use their in-house backtesting infrastructure, but you should familiar with all these third-party backtesting platform as well. Next is learn time series analysis, which is stationary, ARIMA, Arch, Garch, TimeGPT, LSTM, and so on. Next, learn about optimization, which is convex optimization, Lagrange multipliers. Then you can focus into implement risk management techniques such as position sizing, stop loss strategy, value at risk, Y-folio, risk-folio leave, and Quantlib. Then you can learn stochastic calculus like geometric Brownian, Mark Webb models, its lemma, and martingales. So month 5 is all about backtesting and strategy development. Month 6. Master on programming like STL, OPS, DSA, dynamic programming, then a participate coding challenge like LeetCode and all. Now it's time to follow quant research and papers and blogs, network on LinkedIn and attend quant conference. Prepare and apply for interviews, apply on company website and quant forums. Your target company should be quant firms, hedge funds, banks, prop trading firms. So this month is all about master on programming, keep learning and improving, applying for the interview you as well. So that's the 6 month challenge on how you can become a quant. I truly hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions or you would like me to dive deeper into any of the topic we discussed, just drop a comment below. I do my best to reply to everyone as soon as I can. Please share this video with your friends or colleagues who are serious about becoming a quant but are struggling to find the right roadmap. And if you subscribe to this channel, you will get notification whenever I post new videos on the topic like linear algebra, calculus, statistics, Python, C++, machine learning, trading, risk management, and many more. If there is a specific topic you would like me to cover, let me know in the comment. I will definitely make a video on that topic as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.